During fasting, it is important to keep your body nourished with hydrating and energizing food that are just not light but yet satisfying. Thandai is a classic festive drink on this Mahashivratri. To make the Thandai paste, we will add soaked almonds, cashew nut, melon seed, poppy seed, saffron, cardamom pods, black peppercorn. Add milk to make thick Thandai paste. Our thick Thandai paste is ready. Can see the texture. It is absolutely perfect. This is what I wanted. And the color achieved here is due to the richness of saffron in it. To the blender, let's add the paste, followed by milk. Add the mishri sugar, rose water and blend it. Saffron. Vrat special Thandai is ready. The delicate sweetness of mishri sugar and saffron, it tastes so wonderful. Also the poppy seeds and almonds has its own crunch in this Thandai. Rose water is making this drink so refreshing. You should try this for your vrat. Till then, like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.